NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, have taken the digital art world by storm in recent years. By attaching unique digital tokens to files like images, videos, and other multimedia using blockchain technology, NFTs introduce scarcity and ownership to the digital realm. An NFT contains data that permanently records ownership and provenance for a specific digital asset. When an artist mints an NFT from their work, it creates a certificate of authenticity and scarcity on the blockchain. Common NFT standards like ERC 721 enable unique identification and transactions of digital tokens representing creative works. For artists, NFTs open new revenue streams by allowing direct sales of their creations without intermediaries. They also earn royalties from future resales as NFT ownership transfers. For collectors, NFTs make it possible to purchase and verify ownership of scarce digital works, including appreciating early investments in emerging talents. Scarcity, a core attribute only physical art previously held, is brought to digital files through limited edition NFT releases. This drives value appreciation over time. Provenance tracking on the immutable blockchain also boosts confidence in high-value pieces. Pioneering NFT projects like CryptoPunks and Art Blocks established proof of concepts that algorithmically generated or pixelated digital works could find audiences as autonomous art objects. Meme and internet ephemera NFTs show how collective online moments gain new life as verifiable collectibles. More recent projects continue exploring machine learning's narrative and aesthetic potential through vast generative universes of algorithmically scarce artifacts. Established fine artists integrating NFTs also lend greater legitimacy. Digital galleries like Nifty Gateway and Super Rare now showcase coveted new NFT drops, shaping conversations and helping introduce emerging digital artists. NFT-funded community initiatives point to the technology's power to enable new forms of patronage. In conclusion, NFTs have revolutionized the digital art sphere, empowering creators with new revenue streams while granting collectors rare, verifiable digital works. Experimentation will surely continue expanding artistic frontiers where scarcity and community intersect with emerging technologies. With care, NFT art's innovative and inclusive potential seems tremendously promising.